Yes, it is possible to set up a proper hide mode for waybar in Sway. And yes, you don't need to set up a toggle script for it. When I say proper hide mode, I mean this. I hold down my super key and it shows up. And when I let go of my super key, it disappears. Like how a normal sway bar would be, except with waybar. And to do this is actually quite simple. You only need to pay attention to two config files. The first one is your waybar config file. Usually you can find it right here. .config waybar config.jsonc. And the only edits you'll need to make to it are adding these two first lines right here. Quote IPC quote colon space true. And under it you need to add quote ID quote colon quote and then here any name you want to give it. For example, I named it waybar, but you can name it anything you want, like bar -1 for example. The other edit you need to make is to position. This right here is where you decide whether it shows up at the bottom, top, left, or right. Then save your configuration. The second one is your sway configuration file, usually found in .config sway config. And you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bar section. Right here. The only option you'll ever need for bar right here is sway bar underscore command space waybar. And then close it off. But then create another one with bar space the ID you gave waybar. In my case, I type waybar because that's what I named it earlier. And then two options. Swaybar underscore command space true and mode hide. Right here is where you pick which mode waybar will act as. For example, I set it as mode hide. So by pressing down the super key, it shows up, and when I let go, it disappears. If I was to set it to mode dock and reload sway, now it'll always appear even when I don't press anything. But if I was to go back to it and change it to invisible, if I was to go back to it and actually change it to invisible and reload sway, now it will not show up no matter what I press. But since we want mode to be hide, we'll set it to hide, like this. And there you go, it's as simple as that. You may need to restart your computer, obviously, but from my experience, you don't need to do that, you just need to reload sway.